This is a 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.